to superpowers. I thought commit you where you.
Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Merit Victory TV. If today is your first time coming across my channel, you are highly welcome. I'm happy to have you here. Please consider subscribing. You will like it here. And my returning subscribers, you know I don't play with you guys. You are highly welcome too. I so much appreciate you guys. And also, if you have been watching and you have not subscribed, please let today be the day that you make up your mind to subscribe to this channel, and you will not regret it. So in today's video is going to be about prepping and cooking food. This is a food vlog. This is a cooking vlog. In this vlog, we are going to watch me cook or prepare healthy, nutritious, organic foods for my family. Yes, this is what we eat at home. So you're going to watch me prep and cook some of this food. So let's go, guys.
Can't shout, mi ò dẹ̀ lè pariwo, mo ti yó, na 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 na. When I show up for your party, they must jo. Eleboje se, eleboje se. No de buga se, no de buga se. Eleboje se. Eleboje se, no de buga se, no de buga se. Wọ́n sọ pé kí n má lọ sùnlé, wípé kí ọ̀dà rose. Mo ní mo lẹ́kì champagne, èmi ọmọ pé o. Mo sáré fowó mi ṣàyè, gbọ́mọ mẹ́fà lọ́lẹ̀. Mr. Money yóò ṣe, èmi ọmọ pé o. Wọ́n sọ pé kí n má lọ sùnlé, wípé kí ọ̀dà rose. Mo ní mo lẹ́kì champagne, èmi ọmọ pé o. Mo sáré fowó mi ṣàyè, gbọ́mọ mẹ́fà lọ́lẹ̀. Mr. Money yóò ṣe, èmi ọmọ pé o. Mr. Money, oh shit. And me on my bell, oh sorry for Woman me follow, Mr. Money, you say. You have been praying and waiting, patiently serving to God. So many needs and desires, and you're wondering when you make a way. Just don't give up, don't give up. Keep on believing in God. Loma you have been praying and fasting, patiently waiting on God. So many needs and desires, and you're wondering when you make a